you can get snatched up. Dirty ass dance, baby girl, you need to back up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Dirty ass dance, baby girl, you need to back up.
Guys, so I'm gonna go in with my spray again for the second time because I don't want my lace to lift. Sorry guys, that was my mom. I was saying I'm going again with my got to be for the second time. Second layer. You know guys, I bought that spray, is it that Glam what that has a pink and yellow bottle, and I forgot it in Joburg December, and I bought the big one. Oh, not the big one, the small one, but it's bigger than this, so I forgot it while at Joburg, in Joburg. Ooh. core. Sorry guys about the noise. My family's home and there's nothing I can do about it, and I want to shoot this video, so bear with me guys. So I'm gonna let it set, let it be dry a little bit, and then after that I'm gonna put on my wig. I'm not gonna put on a wig cap because, to be honest, I don't know where my wig caps are. I do have 2 wig caps, but I can see about them guys, so I'm just gonna wear my wig like this. Okay, now my now my spray is tacky because you have to put on your hair while it's tacky. So here's my wig, here's my frontal. It's a full frontal. I'm gonna use my camera to see because I can't use my mirror right now, so I'm gonna use what I have here. I'm sorry guys for using the camera, but I don't have a choice. Just hope I'm doing a good job because I can't see. I really can't see. Okay, I'm trying to stick the sideburns. One thing I forgot is to blend the lace. I don't know what's wrong with me. I always forget this step. I had to blend the lace with my foundation, but I forgot, bro. Okay, I think I need a little bit of spray here. So I want to make sure it's laid like flat, doesn't have bumps. That's why I'm doing like this with my hands. Now that we got it to this part, okay, so I want the half up situation. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Should I open here? How do you guys do this half button whatever? Do I take all this hair here? Oh my god. Okay, I think I need to grab my wax stick and my band to tie my hair. I'll be back, guys. So I got my wax stick and my band. Let's see, let's try, let's attempt to do this. So I'm not a professional, I'm just doing what I think might work. I'm trying to make sure that the hair here doesn't disturb me. So let me see. Guys can see me, or should I take this camera up a little bit? Let me do this. I'm sorry for the angle, I just want you guys to see. And although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. I've come to terms over you. And although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. But I think I'm gonna tie this for a bit so that I can take my hair up and down over. I'm not done. I just want to take this band off. Ooh. One thing about got to be umbrella this white cast. Just leave this white because I hate it so much. Okay, my wig is laid, child. She laid. Don't worry about the glue here. I'm gonna take it off. I'm just gonna wipe it. So she's laid. What I'm gonna do is I need to take out the hair in the front, on my front, whatever. Oh, how's it getting? I can't talk today. Maybe it's because I'm panicking. I just want to finish here before my client comes. I'm gonna try and take off a chunk of hair here. Okay, that looks nice. Okay, and then I'm gonna try and do the same here. All right, you see, get on and then now I can go back to, can I do it in the front? Let me do this. Think you know the answer, but you're playing a game. Thought we stayed together, but you don't feel the same, right? I've been thinking about you. If you think about me, are we thinking this through? If we're not meant to be and you're doubting in me, tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd leave without a trace. Go find some courage and just say it to my face. I'm back. Let me take you a little further because I don't think there's a need for you to be close to me anymore. But I'm done getting dressed and doing my makeup. I look different, guys. I'm really so unsure about this eyeliner I put on my waterline. I look different, but there's nothing I can do about it. So I just want to finish up the video. Let me comb this hair. Oh, I look really busy. Oh, I am so tired. Nothing I wouldn't do, but I am outplayed, but I don't mind, no, that I got. I'm gonna lay this down. Where's my mirror? I need a mirror, guys. Hold on. Okay, I got my mirror. I want these to lay down. I need them to lay down. So I'm gonna use the circle to do this. I hope I don't burn myself. Let me use oh, sorry. And although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. I've come to terms over you. And although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. But I am outplayed, but I don't mind, no, that I got outplayed, 'cause I'ma need an upgrade. I'm already drinking. Oh, this has in front of my eyes. I'm already drinking. I'm having some gin. It's Royal Flush and lemonade. So good. Oh no, it's not working. How do you guys do curls? Because I want to curl this. I don't know how to curl it. Let me try and do this. That's a bit better. But it's too much. It just stays the same. Think you know the answer, but you're playing a game. Thought we stay together, but you don't feel the same, right? I've been thinking about you. If you think about me, I will think of this through. If we're not meant to be, and you're doubting in me, I'm gonna take you guys a little bit up so that you can see what I'm doing. I'm sorry if you guys are skewed, but I just want you guys to see what I'm doing. That's the whole point, right? That's the whole point of you guys watching this video. So guys, this is what I came up with. I'm very proud of myself. I'm very proud of myself. Sorry if you hear some noise, because it's freaking hot in here. So this is what I came up with. I'm done. All I have to do is to spray my perfume and grab my bag and my shoes, then go. I'm just waiting for my friend to get here, but I'm done. Looking cute, looking good, like. But either way, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you learned some tricks, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. I love you guys so much, and I want to thank you so much for 100 subscribers, because I never really posted thanking you guys, but thank you, 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 thank you. Ke a le leboga from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for the 100 subscribers, and thank you for everything that you've done for me, guys. But yeah, this is it. My friend is here. And then yeah, I'm done with my makeup. As you can see, I'm done with my hair. I'm already dressed. We're gonna leave just now. We're just waiting for my other friend. But yeah, guys, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for the views. I've seen the views, I've seen them, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy for the growth, because I've seen that my channel is growing. So thank you so much. Like, I don't know how to thank you, but just to say thank you. But thank you so much. Please subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel, and like this video, and watch my other videos, and like and subscribe all the way, please, guys. I'm begging you. So yeah, guys, I'll see you on my vlog, which I'm gonna upload after this video. So yeah, guys, I'll see you after some some time, like on the vlog. So please go watch my vlogs. Love you so much. Thank you.